Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar once again rebounds, or more to the point, recaptures its bullish momentum with the RSI breaking through the midway point. Travels back closer to the top side of the range, around 78 cents. Still locked within these parameters of 78 figure 15 to the downside of 76, 60, 90. It's not likely to see this range breaking. However, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has dropped to a 4.5-month low, around 89.60. At present, though, the top side of the range at 122.60 has been rejected. As you can see here, as the European session slowly coming in, is the fact that 122.44 is now trading. I do believe with the divergence that's clearly seen here on the RSI, and I know slightly overheated ADX, that we should see a pullback to where this trend line is, around 121.70. We do need to break this level to trigger, that is, and move down to 119.80 to 120. Overall, though, keep an eye on that top side of the range, because if we do close from a New York point of view above 122.60, we'll give a neutral view. Still looking closer to this level of 108.45 as the market whipsaws in the last 12 hours. Nevertheless, I feel the market still has the potential to trade that level with a base still holding or profit taking, maybe emerging from 107.70 if seen. Sterling, well, as the lockdown slowly eased, we can see there was another rejection at this level of 142 overnight. And around that level, still expects to see the bears. With the MACD breaking down, does suggest, and keep an eye on the RSI, that we could see a pullback to 140. But still keep on guard in case we do see a break, as the market is still not quite broken down as yet, as it continues to pressure the top side. But looking at sterling yen, it's still getting closer to that level of 153.5. I do anticipate a break there if this pattern continues with the MACD sliding through the zero axis. But do be aware we may get a small rejection if the pound doesn't break down. That is the leg that I'm looking for to see this cross slide further. Looking at gold, well, the market's reached its target of 1,900 and figure 18 as a cap. Let's see if the market struggles at this level. We are extremely overbought. We are overheating on the ADX. Now, above 1,918, I would be neutral, but I feel at this level in time is that although we've erased all the losses for this year, the market may actually see a downturn, or at least a rejection from where we currently hold. Well, where are the bulls? After the 2-day price action we see here, we've got a long-legged doji, and the market is still questioning whether it can continue. I still feel there's be a cap around this 67 and still seeing a base around 61.80. Well, that wraps it for now. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.